Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These will help you safely and effectively replace the charging port. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible, as this will prevent any electrical issues during the repair. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors as you do this. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of the laptop. Locate the charging port, which is typically situated near the power input area. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris around the area to ensure a smooth installation of the new port. Now, you will need to disconnect the old charging port. Look for any screws or clips holding it in place. Remove these carefully and gently pull the port away from the motherboard. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have the support you need. Once the old port is removed, take your new charging port and align it with the connectors on the motherboard. Secure it in place with the screws or clips you previously removed. Make sure it is firmly attached to avoid any future issues. After securing the new port, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Before placing the back panel on, double-check that all internal components are properly connected and that there are no loose screws. If you're unsure about any step, consider our collection and delivery at your home service, which allows you to send your laptop for repair without any hassle. Now, carefully place the back panel back onto the laptop, ensuring all clips are aligned. Press down gently to secure it in place. Reinsert all screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly so, as this could damage the casing. Finally, reinsert the battery if you removed it and connect your laptop to a power source. Power it on and test the new charging port to ensure it's functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. Congratulations, you have successfully replaced the charging port on your HP 5-BW025NS laptop. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.